guys. Today I will not be covering fifth or sixth period, so I am leaving you the assignments or the instructions for today's work. Okay, I want you to open Teams, and at Teams, you are going to find assignments. And the assignment for today, it's build a roller coaster. This is the view that you're going to have in your assignment. Okay. So for today, you're going to make up groups of up to 4. You will be going to Curtis Kinetic Science Competition tab here on Teams, and I'm going to show you exactly where it is in 1 second. Then you're going to open the tab that says Notes. And in the OneNote that you will open, you will review the assignment sections. Open and read the articles in the content and guide sections and follow up all the steps to complete your project. If you have notes to take as a group or individually, I am asking you to open a page on the same section, right? So you first are going to check to open the tab for Curtis Kinetic Science Competition. It's right here on the left. There's nothing on this tab yet, but what we have to access is on Notes right here on the top. Once you open Notes, you're opening the class notebook, but you're opening only the section of the class notebook that it's related to Curtis. Give me a second. Once you open your Notes section, you will find it, if you click over here on the little box, you will find the tab that says the activity number 1 and the pages that belong to that activity, okay? So the first thing is the instructions. Give me just 1 second. The instructions, first you need to know the background knowledge. In this challenge, you'll become an engineer tasked with designing a new roller coaster for an aging theme park, looking to attract more visitors. Your roller coaster must be both thrilling and safe for riders. You'll apply concepts of force, motion, energy, and engineering design principles to create your coaster. All right, so you read all the instructions. It's very important that you follow the engineering process, which is imagine, plan, create, and improve. All right, all of that information is going to be on the next pages. I need you to open the content and guide section. And this one, you can open the project right here and open it in Word and edit it there, or you can just read it here. I need you all to read it as a group and individually. This is the information, the background knowledge that you need for this project. Also, you will find additional resources and prerequisites that you need to know. All of this is self-guided. You need to read it with your group. If you need more information on anything, these are resources that I have added to the project, okay? The materials that you will get each, you can start designing or seeing the materials today, but you are not building today, okay? Because we don't have all the materials in hand. So I'm leaving you with materials to just measure and make a plan or a blueprint. Today, the goal is to make a plan or a blueprint. And no, 1 second, you will get 1 timer, a glass marble. You will get, the glass marbles are going to be with the teacher, okay? You need to turn it back. And today you are going to be able to touch the materials, use the materials, plan with the materials, but I need you to not build today, okay? Your build needs to have these materials at as maximum. You cannot use more than these materials. That would be 12 paper plates and 22 sheets of paper. You can use as much tape as you want and as many straws as you want, okay? So I need you to use paper plates, straws, 1 second, okay? A measuring tape is not I'm not gonna be measured. You can use as many as you need, as much as you need. A calculator, what is going to be counted and you are not getting more is a glass marble, the piece of paper, which are going to be 22, and 12 paper plates. All right. So after this, you know your materials. I want you to follow along. This is the introduction, what you will be doing today, reading and discussing your blueprints, reading and discussing the engineering process. Then you need to read and create your blueprint. All of the information is here. These are samples. Whatever you see in red are samples of things that you will have to come up with. Okay, so try to go step by step. All of what you need is here. And this is what we're doing once we have all the materials. You will get all the materials and then you start with the step. The step for today is creating your plan and your blueprint. All right. Any questions, ask your teacher. He will have all the documentation. And please bring back any materials that you use. Remember that the materials that you pick up today can only be one plate or two plates if you're going to break them to see the structure or how you're going to use it. But you cannot take all your 12 plates today because we don't have enough. All right. So that would be all. Love you all. Bye.